Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford Transit custom key battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. Having the right items ready makes the process smooth and quick, ensuring you can complete the task efficiently and without interruption. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually near the key ring attachment. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, you can carefully pry apart the two halves of the key fob. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing during this step. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Gently remove the old CR2032 battery from its compartment. Now, insert your new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing. Press them together firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Finally, test all the key's functions, such as locking and unlocking the doors, to ensure everything is working correctly with your new battery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.